Sige.
Hi vlog! Let's harvest some eggs!
Naya? Get the egg. Oh no! Lagot ka. Crack na yan. Here. Naya, here. This one.
Separate naman ba yung mga egg?
Oh, yan. I get it.
No, wag na pag-get.
Get mo na. Ganun o. Okay.
Gentle. How many chicken do you see? I found.
I'll get the egg. I'll give to mommy.
Happy birthday.
Birthday celebration. Magtimbang ng itlog with Teacher S.
Si Ma'am Mary. Ano boss? Ilang tray na ba?
Pang 408 na to.
Oh, say hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Bagong look.
Si Nick.
Daily egg farm.
Siya si Rick.
Mommy?
Hindi na nag-drive.
Yes, mommy.
Saan pupunta?
Saan papunta?
Bye bye.
Saan pa?
Wow.